Hello. Welcome to my stream number 43 of Romantic Developer. Yeah, I am a Romantic Developer and I'm now looking into my YouTube just to validate that the stream is going on well. Yeah, basically it should go on well. Okay, so if you came here after the stream by some title or some thumbnail or some keywords, whatever, please look in the video description some chapters. Also, they will show up just below video. It will show time frame about topics different when we talk about different topics, because it's not one topic stream, it's multiple topics. So if you're interested in something, you just can go and see what you are looking for. So we start with some reflections, with some news. So till the moment, I believe Pavel Durov, we talked about Pavel and Telegram few last streams, and he's still in custody, in jail. And yeah, they said that he did multiple crimes, that he involved into child trafficking, child in porn industry, terrorism, all the financial machination, and so on and so on. So multiple things, and it shows that it's actually not, surely not crime, but it's very political, because it's very clearly that Europe or maybe some other countries want to get hands on Telegram, which didn't provide them freely keys or security algorithm or encryption, etc. And they still need to read that messenger. I understand that if they read something, maybe it's easier for them to prevent something. I understand that it's completely true. But at the same time, who knows whether they stop, yes? So they could read not only criminals, but also politicians or just activists, some scientists, etc., everyone, and read and know much more than they actually need. So they don't like any freedom of speech, of communication, or security of communication between people, and so on, so on. So yeah, it's pity that it's happening in some democratic country before. I even don't know what is democratic country now. Maybe some countries in Africa. No, probably they not. Yeah, I really don't know. I need to do some research. I will not ask ChatGPT like I sometimes do, because most probably it will answer that, oh, the most democratic countries are European countries, United States, and so on. Okay, let's do that. And it would be a good learning for us, that we shouldn't believe even ChatGPT in some topics. So we should be very clever where ChatGPT could help us, where it couldn't help us. Hello. Oh. Okay, yeah, I did multiple mistakes. Sorry, but so it's central in many modern democracies, can widely between countries. So Norway consistently rank high on global freedom of speech and privacy and democracy. Switzerland, Canada. Oh, Canada, I couldn't agree, but maybe some Canadians could, yeah, make some light on that topic because I really don't completely know Germany. Um, Germany is not, Germany, again, I'm not sure about completely free speech because at the same time I read multiple news from Germany of completely opposite points of view on situation in war in to war in Ukraine, if they should support or not support all of those. But surely democracy, it's when not only when a strong commitment to human rights, but also when uh, majority of the people choose their path of their government, of their country. And it's not something happening in Germany or in any European country, because if they were truly said what's going on and what they support, and um, if they really want like be involved into some wars or filling money to some black hole of some country economy, we, which goes not to any uh, not to help in human but to enrich some people, mostly, of course they probably choose different direction. And many of German people not agree with official way of their government, but uh, if people are not very well known, it could end for them not very nicely, like in Great Britain, New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand is nice country. I really don't know much about New Zealand. I know that it's a peaceful place to live, and it's a place where trilogy of uh, Lord of the Rings was filmed, and it has beautiful sceneries, and I really want to visit New Zealand sometimes. Iceland, yeah, maybe it's a good country for democracy. Okay, at least you see, at least it doesn't say anything about United States, about Great Britain, about France. At least that is good, because those countries completely frontline, not opposite to democratic world right now. Okay, okay, at least we understand that. Mm, so yeah, at the moment Pavel is uh, in uh, in in jail, and he will be remain there till I believe Wednesday, for sure for now. Of course, he is citizen not only of France but also from Russia, and he lives in Saudi Arabia, which probably also has some rights to be informed about what he did wrong. But many people in the world which say that Pavel is not did any crime, and I highly respect that, and I truly believe this, especially after hearing his some of his thoughts, his interview, etc. So yeah, he's pretty peaceful person with some, of course, position, but at the same time, it's pretty peaceful position. Okay, so that is one topic. What about another topic? No, we talked about Ukraine, but I don't want to step into that very deeply right now. Mm, it's a good thing that during the recent massive attack, not many people died, and that is good thing. The bad thing is that people now thinking about revenge and not about how to stop it. So it's continuing, and while people on both sides will think of revenge, it will continue because revenge is a fire to the flame of war. Yes, I need to read more English books. I have so many interesting idioms in the head, but I don't know how exactly say them. Okay. Yeah, it's full to the fire of the war. Probably it's better to say. Um, Also, I try to slightly change my description for my videos. So maybe I can do one quick thing. Maybe I can open something on the screen, Azure Studio, and test with some prompts which will generate descriptions slightly better than before. So, and I'll update those descriptions. Update those. Oh, multi-factor message required for my oh no, for my Azure portal, which is actually a good thing. If you have multi-factor authentication, it's much more complex to steal your data because they need not only your passwords, which could be sent as plain text, or in worst case it could be preserved somewhere in your browser and some program could read that and send somewhere. So your password, or maybe you use the same password. I'm that person, I use not the same password but set of passwords or set of similar passwords sometimes on different sources. So when one source leaks, there is a high risk that people can find find a password for your account, for your email, for your other login identification. But still in your phone or still in your phone notification app, much more complex. Okay, so uh, and to run the studio, I need to run something like aiazure.com. Okay, and my program actually still use not for OR, it use for Turbo. Probably I need to switch the model. Okay, Azure AI Studio, and probably I can share something. 1 second. No, I think I will not share that thing on my big screen. Sorry. Okay, if I'll transition here, we'll see OpenAI Studio, and we see a lot of models. Also, which to use you, they're not, I mean, they in Azure AI Studio, so you should pay slightly for them. but not much for most models. And we are looking for chat. GPT for O. Okay, system message, temperature, max tokens. I remember slightly different interface. Chat assistance, pretty cool things. I haven't completion. We need completion playground. Okay, I need to switch to different resource. Give me 1 second. I just want to choose proper resources, and I have several subscriptions. Don't want to share all the details yet. West US OpenAI. Actually, you know, it's probably was not completion, but chat. Probably it was chat. Because when I switch here, I see that I have deployment for chat, but if I try to go to completion, it says you need a new deployment. Okay. So we don't need any speech and text. Close. I want to do some basic settings. So I have GTP4. Okay, I need to probably create new deployments. GPT-4o. Confirm. Deployment name. Model version. Deployment type. Global standard or standard on global batch. Global batch. Okay, standard. Provision management. Okay, I think global standard for us working well. What about rate per minute? Request per minute. I don't think we need anything here. Is it the latest? I believe it's latest. Default. Deploy. GPT-4o. And also we need to switch to GPT-4o. Also my client which helped me generate everything. Okay. So we have idea to generate parameters to generate a summary. So here is everything is fine. Top temperature, maybe it could be 0.8. I don't want very high temperature because it's not questions like yes, no. It's not something like you should return very strict format of the text like JSON format. Then probably you won't make it higher. Okay, let's make 0.7. We can try. Max response. Let's make it the biggest possible. We don't need 4, but it's fine. We don't need 10 messages, but let's leave it as is. System messages. So I could open Notepad and show you my current. So I could show you my current prompt. We already did something like that using the key points from the text from the YouTube stream video transcript that I will, let's remove that, insert the format that I will submit, please, that I will send. Please create a captivating and engaging description for this video for the YouTube platform, but don't do it too advertisable, just informative enough. Romantic developer for the stream. He started. So okay, is let's try slightly change it. Stream post. Accomplish. Let's say all my mission. Let's say at least I will share my knowledge, expertise, and thoughts in various topics, including my professional career as a software developer and my role as a husband and father of 2 grown boys. As well, I had a lot of hobbies and had a lot to say about current wars, religions, politics, media, and so on. I am planning to make every stream at least 15 minutes. Or longer on captivating topics. That is 10 PM PST. Highlight what viewers can expect, including any particularly strong themes, let's say topics or significant moments from the video. The description should be optimized for YouTube platform, engaging and correctly reflecting the content of the video. Okay, sections for the video in the description, starting from and further in standard format. In the second section should begin where the video begins to address a new issue, let's say not issue, topic, or point of particular interest. Section title should be interesting, engaging, motivating, but also accurate and time appropriate. Possibly leave a gap of no more than 3 minutes between sections. 3 minutes of the stream between sections. Description must not exceed 500 characters. Okay, so let's see what I have right now. What I have right now. So this is my current channel, and this means stop. Let's okay, it's not my channel of romantic developer stream. We created it to play with some things, so I just need to go here. Let's go to this video. We will not look at this video, but instead we will look at some description I created recently. Okay, let's see where is my prompt. Join me, the romantic developer, on my mission to complete days of live stream. We'll explore software development, discuss the organization of life, marvel at the wonders of planters, and delve into the quirks of human existence, both logical and not so logical. Tune in daily at 10 p.m. PST for at least 15 minutes of conversation. Okay, we'll cover a broad spectrum from software development to personal stories about my husband and father and current state of things. Current state of things in the world. Mm. Oh, what's going on? Word? I just forget what is the proper word for word, including politics, religion, and people's life. Okay, so it's my basic descriptions. What else we could say to our prompt so it could generate something useful? We could ask our prompt to that we have that topic. The series has initial generic topic like the night talks part 100 software live with medical. Okay, cool. Now let's test it. So let's set it as a system message. Click apply changes, continue, and what I want to do, I want to test. So basically, I set up the program to help with stream, with video summary or title or keywords and everything else which every YouTube video needs to have. Just I execute for every video. I initially do whisper to generate transcript. We already look into that topic a lot, and now we just use ChatGPT to execute that a command on just clean transcript of the video. To open the clean transcript of the video, let me do it on some other screen. So I believe let's take I don't have a good transcript, recent transcript. So let's see. Oh no, it's transcript which is not good. Let's see transcript from stream number 37. 37, and it's for 25 minutes. So let's test it. Let's test it and see how it will look like. So I just insert transcript as is because it's what we do in basically. Do you remember that I set maximum size of response as 4,000 tokens, and maximum size of input is basically input and output is 128,000 tokens, which normally it's a pretty big thing, right now we inserted about how many characters? We inserted mostly 18,000 and a half thousands characters, and it's only 550 tokens. So you see 128,000 enough for any stream, maybe multiple 20-hour streams, so maybe months of stream we are pretty safe. The other problem with months stream with lengths of 1 month is that Whisper will not do it for us using default approach. So let's see how interesting and captivating stream description it will generate. Actually, I don't like it already. Why? Join me on my mission. Don't forget, share sections. Start of the video. Okay, so what I don't like, first of all, because it's create a stream. Clear. It's created a description and chapters which are much go in future in time comparing to what we have. Sometimes it's happening with ChatGPT or with any LLM system because it's not perfect enough. So let's see. We finishing on 25 minutes. We provided pretty clear instructions that it shouldn't do anything different. So let's try once again. Sometimes just executing once again, it's creating much better on contact. So this time you see it's generate much at least even much cleaner contact than content than before. So let's say 10 minutes, the role of ChatGPT in modern life, just to check if it's actually true or not. So let's go when we have 10 minutes of our stream. Mobiles, okay, so yeah, it's cool. ChatGPT is the same, it's a tool, it's our current tool. It's like we want to write books, it will use probably something like Microsoft Word. Okay, yeah, it's actually about importance, but it started not from 10.00 but 10.21. From 00 it's actually ending years ago, so one mobile phone much more powerful. Probably it's still fine, but it's not exactly nice as I want to be. Also, it just so it took my thing which I provided here as an example of my generic title. So let's see. So it's provided that example of generic title, but what I don't like, it doesn't show it what thing we discussed here in more detail exactly. So if I'll open it, yeah, it's not good. I increase fonts and it doesn't actually increase a lot of font. My mission, okay, tune in daily, okay. Tonight's stream starts with some candid reflection on daily struggles and transition into powerful discussion on modern tools like ChatGPT. Okay, that is thing is right, but we need to put it first. Let's see our thing, our prompt. My genetic description for upcoming stream is looking like below. Please use that description idea on the content on the summary style, but start with most things on the stream, sort of engaging summary, and then add all the useful information about myself and stream schedule. Okay, let's try that prompt. Let's try that prompt. Also add very few keywords if they could help to find this video, make this description more YouTube SEO friendly. So let's try to fix that thing. No, YouTube, let's put it together. Okay, let's copy that. Let's go to our stream. Let's make it smaller. Let's reset it. Maybe we could do something like that. Okay, reset to default. Apply changes, clear chat. Now let's copy our stream again, a transcript of one of our stream. And let's try to do this in once again properly. Okay, let's send it. So it's GPT-4, the latest available model, which is pretty quick. So it's much better. So again, it started not with the most important thing, but at least it's make it much smaller. Tonight discussion takes an intimate turns as I reflect on balancing work and rest, the importance of finding time. We'll dive into chapters 20. Okay, let's see. The modern secretary. Understanding the younger generation tech habits. Keywords. It's slightly better. It's better. I like it more. But maybe I like it much better than my previous stream description, which it could generate automatically. It's for sure. Yeah, so no questions. I'm trying to see if it could do. So now it's taken to the main thing very quickly, just after that one sentence of this, which is pretty cool. Then it's telling about what to expect, video sections. Those video sections also will work, but that thing will not be visible on small screens, on mobile screens, on TV screens. So even on phones, even on computers, it will be like maybe 3-4 words, maybe 5 words. So it's good for description, it's bad for chapters, but maybe it will look good. So let's try to just copy that and see. So it's our stream number 37. It's stream number 37. So let me try to open stream number 37 and see how it will look like. Maybe I'm telling not good things and actually it will work well. So let's see. So it's my stream number 37. Yeah, for some reason it's in Ukrainian. Start of the video. Let's see. Okay, some issues with automatically generated text. Let's try to save and see how it will look like. Okay, and let's see. Okay, it just inserted only the first sentence, and the second sentence it just leave in the description, which probably pretty good. Keywords doesn't look good, but for keywords we can work slightly more. So add very few keywords. Not maybe. No more than 5, yes. They could help to find the speed and make this description more user friendly. Okay, so let's do some trick. Let's do some trick because we're already doing a lot of tricks. Let's go to ChatGPT. I'm reminding that is the free version of ChatGPT. If you don't have any paid here, let's start new chat. And let's ask ChatGPT if it could improve our prompt. So let's fix few issues. And let's ask it to return not the whole prompt, because by default it will probably return the whole prompt, but let's return only things you propose to add or change. Return not this properly. So let's see. Okay, I like that. So it's interesting. Let's change it. So we go here and highlight the viewers from the video. So let's replace it, because it's actually ask ChatGPT to find some surprising, thought-provoking moments. So they're highlighted at the beginning. It's actually what I want even before. Okay. Let's with author. So strength SEO by incorporating keywords. Integrate 3-5 relevant keywords seamlessly into the description to enhance SEO. Okay, you know, it sounds better. It sounds better. Let's replace that with what it's proposed, and let's test what we will receive. So the description, where I talk about the description should be. Okay. Yeah, so that we replace with set. Okay. Okay, let's replace craft. Section titles should be, let's go to the section. Section should begin where, okay, section title should be, okay, let's remove the 3 minutes. Okay, let's add it to the end, and let's see how it will change our general prompt, because now it's become even more bigger. Maybe we need to ask, make it simpler now, but let's try. So let's go to our model, and let's try to change it. So reset the default, add-in, apply changes, clear the chat, and let's start with the same chat once again. So we'll test on the same chat, I mean on the same transcript. I don't like keywords. I don't like keywords. Yeah, we already checked the role of ChatGPT in modern online about 10:00. It's actually starting 10:20, but it's pretty close. So let's get our thing here. Go to ChatGPT again. Okay. Thank you. Below is my updated prompt. ChatGPT response doesn't include keywords as keyword. Okay, let's see. So this time I didn't ask it to return us only changed parts. That's why you see it's returned us updated prompt. Okay, so it's make it much more um, organized in terms of what are the requirements. Okay, let's try that prompt. So first of all, we copy that prompt into them. Let's see, in maybe new windows of. So yeah, we need to remove the last one. No, shouldn't remove because it's part of generic upcoming stream description. Example. Motion connections, auto actions. Because yeah, we could send only the text, we couldn't send ChatGPT the instructions, anything other. So let's see. Okay, let's try that one, and probably we will use that sync to, so we apply the changes. Okay, you know what, let's add generated by YouTube AI. It's my basically website I used to which is face of my program, which actually does that. It's pretty simple, it's you just provide video and it's extract audio, do whisper, execute those tasks on based on the category you choose. But yeah, it's worth giving it own name like YouTube AI. Add at the very end of the description. Okay, let's copy what we have into here so we don't lose it. And now let's clear the chat, apply changes, and let's copy our transcript. Romantic developer stream number 37. And let's see how it will generate as response. You see, it's pretty fast generation. It's nice. It's provided video transcript, video chapters, but they again not true. Basically, the stream has 25 minutes, but it's generated 55 minutes. Let's try that thing once again. and see, because even in my program I could generate multiple versions of the same prompt. If I don't like, I said, okay, regenerate, and it will generate something other, something other, something other. Again, 32 minutes. It's not of the stream time. Come on. Let's go and ask for advice of ChatGPT again. ChatGPT to improve ChatGPT. My latest prompt is that is prompt often generate a chat section, need to video sections, not with not proper time codes. For example, I have stream only for 25 minutes, 25, and this prompt generate section up to 55 minutes stream. Could you help improve? So what basically we ask it to help us to improve our prompt, to generate better time codes for our chapters in YouTube, or sections, video sections, or video chapters. So what about video sections? Okay, let's try. I always like to try the things out. So let's initially copy here, because we want to see how it will look like. Okay, looks more or less good. So let's go to our ChatGPT. Let's clean the chat. Let's copy new system message instructions, and let's copy our transcript now here. I often use Windows key V. It's much more convenient when you need to paste something, you copy paste. So if you have copied several things, you can choose what exactly you want to insert here. Okay, it's even proposed some title, you see. Welcome back with blends and work highlights. Again, 30 minutes, come on, 30 minutes. Keywords. Okay. Okay. Let's try once again because it's still not so good. Let me see what I inserted here. So it's 25 minutes starting from 00. Okay, now it's generate much more better. At least it's not beyond 25 minutes. Okay, it's basically it's better. It's better. Let's try it once again. Let's try once again. Okay, again 35 minutes. See optimized keywords. Okay, let's do the clean chat and test once again. First time was pretty good. Second was worse. That one I like its beginning and 23 minutes. Okay, let's look at 23 minutes. Let's look at 23 minutes. If it's already wrapping up or it's about 24. So 23 minutes. And it's called Thoughts and Personal Fulfillment. And let's see what is 21 minutes. Hobbies. Okay, hobbies. Yeah, looks good. So out of 3 or 4, 2 was pretty decent. Other was less nice, but again, and keywords, of course, they're not blended into the text, they just generated afterwards, which is also okay. So basically what we are going to do, we are just going to take the most recent prompt and try to use it with my program, and I'll try to generate those video description of today's stream as well, yesterday's stream before yesterday. And actually what we can do right now, we can just maybe copy this. Let's go and see what we have here. Okay, let's click preserve, save. Let's reload it. Okay, interesting. It translates subtitles. Okay, nice. And let's see what we have the chapters. And we don't have chapters. Come on. Where is my chapters? Let's reload. You just go to some room and you can talk if you need. So you see, actually it's not bad at all. It's inserted some keywords. It's inserted some what we have. Also chapters. Okay. Yes, video sections or chapters. But the thing is that they're not showing up for some reason. At least I don't see them. Let's reload once again. Trying to use like. Okay, now I could see. So maybe when I update them,
Hello.
they're not updated immediately.
Our stream
And
is on.
and you see they're not too lengthy, mostly. So at least something. Okay, so what we discussed some news today. We work on prompt to make summaries of videos. In that case of my video, but maybe it would be useful if someone want to make his own prompt to generate transcript for their video, for his video. And yeah, it will save me time because I'll just put it as configuration. And now when I want to subscribe video, I just upload the video and it's extract all the things like MP3, transcript by using Whisper model, and then executing ChatGPT on that to create summary, description, create titles, ideas, keywords, so on, so on. Everything I'll put into the video to make it more nice looking and better to search in YouTube. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And oh, it's more than 1 hour stream. So yeah, it's pretty big. So see you tomorrow at 10 PM PST as usual, hopefully. And yeah, my usual wishes to you all to build around your cozy and peaceful environment and atmosphere. Gift your love, your warmth to people around you, especially to your loved ones, and just make world slightly better all around you and inside you. That's all we can do basically right now. See you tomorrow.